Hi, my name is Candace Slosher, and I'm going to show you how to fold a napkin into the bird of paradise. So what we're going to start off is we're going to fold it upward in half. Make sure it's creased down. And after you got that part, you're going to fold it to your right so it's in fours and at quarters. And once you have that done, you're going to shift it downwards so your four folds are to your bottom right. Once you have that down, you're going to take your top left corner and you're going to fold it downward to your four corners that you have made. So you should have a triangle, and you should shift it around so it looks like a triangle facing you. So once you have your triangle, what you're going to do is you're going to fold two flaps inward. So it's looking like some distorted looking diamond thing. Does everyone have that? Okay, once you have that, so you're going to see at the bottom of this, and you're going to fold it behind. So it's going to look like this, and it's going to look like another triangle. So I'll have it down facing you. Once you have that part, you're going to fold it inward. So it's going to look like a boat. It's going to look like a boat thing. You might want to really crease it down, and so it'll probably not stay. But I'm assuming it's not going to stay anyways. Once that's done, you're going to fold the flaps up in the middle so you can create your little bird, your wings, and you should have the bird of paradise right here.